celebrate. And even if the court says it will stand, there still is work to do. The work is not over. And it takes every one of us. Dad used to say that I can't be free. I can't be what I ought to be until you're what you ought to be, and you can't be what you ought to be until I'm what I ought to be, because our destinies are tied together. You see, America has our destinies tied together, and even if voting rights is discriminatory against one group of people, it invalidates the whole process. We should be making it easier for folk to vote, not put more restrictions in place to keep people from voting. That is what my dad and others gave their lives for. And so we're not through. We're not finished. The struggle's it's not over. We're going to have to march some more. We're going to have to tweet some more. We're going to have to use Facebook some more. We're going to have to use even LinkedIn, the business folk. Get business folk engaged with what we're talking about. Because everybody wants or should want to be on the right side. We're not talking about something that is mistreating people. We're talking about inclusion, making sure that everyone is able to participate in the process. That's what my dad gave his life for, one of the things he gave his life for. And so that is partially why I had to be here today, along with we got to say.
We are not going to let them take from us what our grandparents and parents fought and suffered and died to give us in the first place. Many of us will be joining Rose Saunders and Senator Saunders in Selma this weekend, because we want to make it clear that we have not gotten so cute and so refined that we don't march anymore. We march whether we got on Brogans or Prada shoes. This is a challenge to this generation, that we must show the determination that is alive and well in our community. Make it clear, and I'm so happy that it was raised in the court, that we're not talking about 60s. Last year, they ended early voting days or cut them back in many states. Last year, they used government voter ID that disproportionately robbed blacks of their right to vote. Last year, they used the fact that we were mobilizing Sunday souls to the polls and stopped it in many of our states. So we're not talking about something that used to happen. We're talking about things that are happening right now. And we need this Voting Rights Act and Section 5 to protect us right now.